WAND has developed over 30 different taxonomy suites addressing all domains of knowledge for all of these different verticals: aerospace, insurance, manufacturing, and as you can see, many more. Today we're going to take a brief look at our paper manufacturing taxonomy suite, which includes metadata models that will address all the domains of knowledge relevant to a paper manufacturing company like yours. The download, delivery, and access to our taxonomies takes place on our WAND Taxonomy library portal. Each of our clients gets a username and a passcode. Once logged in, you'll be able to go to the taxonomy library, and we're interested in the paper manufacturing taxonomy suite. These are the metadata models that will address those domains of knowledge within your business: paper manufacturing, wholesale, project management, records retention, research and development. And what we can do is click into any one of these taxonomy titles and explore the various taxonomies by drilling down this tree. Grades, measurements and properties, metrics. And by clicking on this, we can drill into paper manufacturing equipment: agitators, chippers, debris removing equipment, conveyors, grapples, pulp screening equipment, drum screen, fiber classification screens, interflow pressure screens. We are able to now download, say, just the paper manufacturing equipment branch of this taxonomy. Simply highlight the selected branch, click on Delivery, Selected Branch, and then we need to select the target application from this dropdown. Once selected, we'll create the delivery. And in just a few seconds, the delivery will be ready in our Deliveries tab. This file can then be downloaded directly to our desktop and then imported into your application of choice. It's just that simple. We have a massive library of taxonomies for you to browse, download, and use, all related to paper manufacturing. Make sure to come back to the library portal often to see our taxonomy updates and import newly added terms into your environment.